Alcohol often starts as something social or something casual, but for many people it becomes something else, a coping mechanism, a routine, or even a dependency. If you're watching this, you've probably asked yourself, how do I stop drinking? In this video, we'll break down some of the most important and effective tools to help you stop drinking now. Before we go any further, if you've been drinking heavily and daily, especially if you experience withdrawal symptoms like shaking or sweating when you stop drinking, then you may be physically dependent. Quitting alcohol suddenly in these cases can be dangerous and even life-threatening, so please consult your doctor first, who may be able to support you with a medically supervised detox. We'll explore more about alcohol withdrawal in a future video. Lasting change doesn't happen without meaning. If you want to stop drinking, you need a reason that resonates deeply with you. Take a moment to reflect. Why do you want to stop drinking? Is it to sleep better, improve your health, boost your productivity, strengthen your relationships, to feel more in control, or to build your self-esteem? A powerful way to explore this is through a cost-benefit analysis, a simple but eye-opening tool to help you weigh the short and long-term benefits and costs of drinking versus sobriety. Ask yourself, what has alcohol already cost me? Has it impacted my health, my mental clarity, my relationships, my goals? What are the short-term rewards I get from drinking, and are they worth it? What are the long-term benefits I hope to gain from being alcohol-free? And what short-term discomforts might I face in quitting, and how can I prepare for them? Seeing things clearly written out can be a real game changer. Many people drink for quick relief, to numb, relax, or escape. But that short-term comfort often leads to long-term costs. When your why is stronger than your urge to drink, you're no longer just resisting, you're choosing something better. You're not giving something up, you're making space for something more meaningful. One of the most powerful tools in understanding your drinking habits is simply writing it down. Using the ABC format can help you track your drinking, the triggers that lead to it, and the outcomes of each situation. Here's how it works. Antecedent. What happened right before you drank? Was it a stressful day at work? Did you have a difficult conversation? Did you feel bored or lonely? Behaviour. The drinking itself. How much did you drink? What time of day did it happen? Were you alone or with friends? Consequence. What was the result of your drinking? How did you feel afterwards? Was there guilt, regret, or a sense of relief? Did your behaviour change during or after the drinking? This simple journal can reveal a lot about why you drink, when you drink, and how it affects you. Understanding these patterns can help you create a plan for change, because you can't change what you're unaware of. Another tool you can use is HALT, which stands for hungry, angry, lonely, and tired. These 4 emotional and physical states are often triggers for drinking, so it's crucial to check in with yourself when you feel the urge to drink. Hungry. Are you eating enough throughout the day? Sometimes cravings for alcohol are actually hunger cues. Angry. Are you holding on to unresolved anger or frustration? Emotional distress can often lead to drinking as a way to cope. Lonely. Are you feeling isolated or disconnected? Drinking can be a way to fill that gap. Tired. Are you sleep deprived or exhausted? Fatigue can lead to lower willpower and a stronger desire to drink for a quick energy boost. So next time you're tempted, ask yourself, are you HALT? And if you are, consider addressing the underlying need, whether it's eating a snack, getting some rest, reaching out to a friend, or finding a healthy way to release or address your anger. Psychology research shows that the strongest predictor of future behaviour is past behaviour. If you've been drinking regularly for 10, 20 or even 30 years, your brain has built a powerful habit loop. The good news? Habits can be rewired. Here's how. Change the cue. Now that you've identified your triggers and cues to drinking, it's time to switch up your routines. If stress and boredom are regular cues to drinking, try to address these by keeping busy, starting a hobby, or engaging with stress management techniques. Equally, if certain situations are high risk for drinking, in the early days it may be a good idea to steer clear of these events. It's not forever, but whilst you're trying to build new habits, reducing triggers can be helpful. If you can't change the cue, then replace the reward with something else soothing or stimulating. Instead of drinking, find a new, healthier habit that gives you a similar reward, one that doesn't negatively impact your well-being. For example, if you usually drink when you get home from work to unwind, try something like going for a walk, taking a hot bath, or calling a friend to vent or chat. And the most important part, repeat it consistently. Consistent behaviour can help to create new neural pathways. Just like drinking alcohol became an automatic habit, so can new behaviours. The key is repetition. At first it may feel awkward or forced, but over time it will become just as ingrained as your old drinking habits. You don't need more willpower, you need a system. Here's how to build a toolkit for success. Set a clear goal. Are you going for full sobriety or a temporary break? Tell someone. Accountability works. Clear your space. Remove alcohol from your home. Use an app or journal to track your progress. Stock up on alternatives like sparkling water, mocktails or tea. Plan soothing rituals such as baths, books and music. And the most important one, join a community. Whether that's an in-person group or an online forum, you don't have to do this alone. Finding people who are on the same path will make this journey 10 times easier. Stopping drinking isn't the end of something, it's the beginning of everything else. More clarity, more peace, more time. You're not weak, you're waking up. And if you were looking for a sign, this is it. If you've enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe for more insights from Mind Altered. You've got this.